Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're going to check out the SPINNAKER DUMAS. The reference number is SP5081-44, and this is just a 1970s inspired dive watch. You can tell by the design. I love this bold, beautiful, very dynamic yellow and red dial with the outlined minute hand there on the handset in red. It just catches your eye big time. Hey, this was sent to me by way of Aaron Dunlop of the OFD channel. I'll leave a link in the description below to his channel, and it's going next to On the Wrist and Mark Nichols. So please check those two channels out for sure. And let's jump right into this guy. This is running the NH35 movement. It has a date complication at the 3 o'clock position. It is a 3/16L stainless steel case, just big, bold, beautiful angles, brushed beveled edges, and polished case. That combo is always a good combo in a dive watch. I like to see that a lot. It does have a screw down crown with the embossed Spinnaker logo in the end, and it is a very nice crown to operate. Very smooth action. I like it a lot. It does have a sapphire lens with AR coating, and it also has a see-through case back. If you can look in there, we'll open this up and you can get a good look of that movement in there. Spinnaker, there you go. There it is. Spinnaker across the rotor there. Nice decorated rotor by Spinnaker. I'm trying to see if you can see that beading in there. There it is. Beautiful display case back. I like that a lot. I like that in pretty much any watch. And back to this dial, just a gorgeous, gorgeous dial. See if I can pull that up for you closer. You can see the 24-hour dial in the center, around the center there. Squared out date window. Box date window, automatic, and 1,000 feet water resistant above the 6 o'clock position. I do like these indice markers, the round and the rectangular together, just make a really nice combo. Spinnaker printed across the dial right below the 12 o'clock position. Really nice red markers at the 5-minute markers on the outside. That just catches your eye right away. I think it was a great touch here. It does have a 120 click bezel. Let me get back out here so you can see that. You can hear those clicks. Very nice action on the bezel. And it is topped with mineral crystal. Let me get this back to the beginning. Everything lines up and there's no back play at all with this. I guess the bezel, yes, the bezel is topped with a mineral crystal coating, and the bezel, the handset, and the indices are coated with lume. So check this out. I'm going to throw a shot up for you. Really bright and brilliant lume. I'm guessing it's superluminova. I'm not 100% sure, but they have done a really, really good job on this lume. It does have a steel Milanese mesh band. So these are kind of tricky to operate. This one does feel really good on the wrist. I sized it for my wrist, and I'm sure Mark can resize it to his wrist. I just think they're cool looking. It has Spinnaker logo on the clasp, and they're easy to operate. You just kind of pop them open and put it on. But I'll get a wrist shot of that in a minute. Let's get into some specs on this guy. Like I said before, it is 1,000 feet water resistant and has a 44 millimeter case, 16 millimeter thickness, 47.5 millimeter lug to lug this way, and a 22 millimeter bandwidth. Let's get this on my 7-inch wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist. This Milanese bracelet or band, I do really like it, and it feels really good on the wrist. I love seeing these bands on watches. I also wanted to remark about this case. It just have some really big, bold cut angles, machine angles. It just brings back that 70s look. I really do like this. And like I said, I think they're sold out. It's pretty incredible. This is a very sought after watch. Hey, that's my short look at the Dumas. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you guys are having a great day and stay well.